I'm here with the brand new Moto G Stylus 5G for 2023. It's promising a stylus experience paired with 5G performance. Let's go take a closer look. Stylus smartphones are apparently still alive and well, which is why Motorola has updated the Moto G Stylus 5G. It's not quite a premium phone, but instead offers an accessible combination of a stylus experience for users who also want to benefit from 5G data speeds. The device comes in this beautiful rose champagne color that I'm really drawn to, but there's also cosmic black if you're looking for something more simple. The rear chassis now features a matte finish, which makes it less of a fingerprint magnet than the previous gen model. I also like how this device transitioned to flat edges. It just makes for a better hand feel. Honing in on the display, this is a 6.6-inch Full HD screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, so that means smooth scrolling either with a finger or with the included stylus. The stylus pops out of the bottom and launches a quick menu of favorite apps. The note-taking app is obviously front and center. I had no trouble whatsoever jotting down a quick to-do list. I found the latency to be fair, but I would also want to look at it against something like the S Pen for the Galaxy Fold to see the difference between a value tier stylus phone and a premium tier one. Similarly, we need to look at the photo performance a bit closer. Here there's a 50 megapixel main sensor with a combination 8GB ultra-wide and macro vision lens, plus a 16 megapixel selfie lens. The selfies were a bit lackluster, but the other pics and videos I took looked good at a glance. If I were to take this phone out and about, the 5000 mAh battery should get me 2 days of battery life. We need to put the Moto G Stylus 5G through our continuous web surfing battery test to see how true that is, but Motorola phones do typically offer strong stamina. The Moto G Stylus 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 and comes with Android 13. It will be updated to Android 14, but that's it in terms of OS upgrades. Users will still get 3 years of security upgrades though. Otherwise, the device comes with up to 256 gigabytes of storage and is expandable with a micro SD up to 2 terabytes. Starting at $399, the Moto G Stylus 5G could strike the ultimate balance of features and value. Of course, there's only one way to find out, and that's by testing this phone in the lab. In the meantime, you can check out what we're doing on social, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Tom's Guide. And as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.